Hello, I'm Stefan, your consultant for Big Kaiser products. Today, our well-known EWB self-balancing boring head will explain how the self-balancing system works. EWB, can you explain to our friends some of your secrets?
Hello. Remember me? I am EWB, the fastest self-balancing head in the world. Last time I told you about my unique self-balancing mechanism. Today I will explain how it works. It's simple and ingenious. A counterweight built into the boring head compensates for the imbalance caused by the movement of the tool carrier. Every time you move the tool carrier in one direction, the counterweight moves in the opposite direction. All this without any further adjustment or manual interaction. I told you. Simple and ingenious. Would you like to see for yourself what I am capable of? Call a Big Kaiser colleague and we will be right with you. Stay tuned, see you soon.
Thank you, EWB. Well said. If you would like to know more about our products or try them yourself, just contact me anytime. Thank you.